In front of me is a MEIZU M8, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now for this you will need a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. So anyway, once you get one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone. As you can see right here where the pin is holding right now. So you want to push it in, and the tray will pop out just ever slightly for you to grab it and take it out. And on here you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. If you plan to go with two dual SIM, you'll place one like this on the SD tray. But obviously if you're using one of each, move it over and slap the SD card right here instead. And from there you can simply insert it back into the device. And obviously the pin is already working, it's requiring a pin for the SIM card, so I'll confirm that. And SD card is working as well, which you can see right here. So that is how to insert both SIM and SD card, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.